Hello my besties, how are you? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to decorate your candles for Easter and spring. Have you seen these candle holders? Aren't they high-end looking? Oh my goodness, when we are done with these candles, no one will be able to tell they came from a Dollar Tree. Are you excited? Please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today's DIYs will be 100% Dollar Tree. So go ahead, pick your favorite scented pillar candle and a candle holder and embellishments, crosses for Easter, flowers for spring, some ribbon, favorite napkin, and a sheet of parchment paper. First, we are going to make an Easter candle, like the Paschal Candle, which is a symbol of hope and new life. It represents Jesus' resurrection, so there's going to be a cross and the symbols, Alpha and Omega. Alpha is easy, but the Omega, I never wrote that. Any of my besties are Greek? Comment and let me know. I had to practice it a couple times because I don't want to screw it up on my candle. And you are probably wondering, am I going to be able to write on a wax candle? Well, no, I don't have any special paints or the markers. I don't want to spend money. So here's my trick. Find a napkin with a lot of white space and write on your napkin. And I'm going to show you how easily to transfer that on your candle. The focal point of my candle will be the cross. But there's a tiny little butterfly there, which I think will be a good idea to transfer as well. And let me just find a space over there to write my letters in between. I play around with the placement. I think this will work. First, I tape down my napkin so it doesn't move. And then I quickly, gently write down these letters. It's not easy. I'm being careful not to make it look smudgy. You know how the napkin soaks up the ink? I don't know. Let me try it on this side too, and I'll pick a better one. I'm not great with calligraphy. My hands are shaky. I don't know. It is what it is. The symbol is most important, right? So next I separate my napkins. We just need one top layer. And let me just cut out what I need. All we need is just those two symbols and a little butterfly. Imagine the possibilities are endless here. You can personalize your candles. You can write any special message, anything you like, and use this trick to transfer it on your candle. So you carefully cut out exactly what you want to transfer. Place it on your candle. Just make sure this is right. Yes, I want these to be around the cross. And now I'm going to wrap the candle with a parchment paper and heat it with my hair dryer. I have the dryer turned on a high heat setting, and I warm up the candle until it starts melting. You see a little bit here? The napkin melts into the candle, but not completely yet. So I'm gonna heat some more. On average, it's about 2 to 3 minutes, I would say. All right, this should be enough. The paper gets greasy, as you can see. And look at this. The napkin is completely melted into the candle. Isn't that a great trick? Let your candle cool off now so the wax hardens. I'm so glad to get my lettering on there, and that butterfly is the cutest. Next, I'm going to wrap the candle with the burlap ribbon. It's so pretty. I hope you picked up some when you saw these at a Dollar Tree. Close the ribbon tightly around the candle. And next, we are going to glue the cross on top of the ribbon. I don't think the hot glue would stick to a candle, so that is the trick, to attach the ribbon first and then your embellishments on top of it. Yay! I'm so happy it all worked out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue and attach my candle to the pedestal. And if you like, you can also decorate the pedestal as well. I'll make a simple bow, 4 inches, another 4 inches, it's a 2-inch loop, one more. Cut it off and tie with a piece of wire through the center. We are going to attach that bow at the bottom, right there underneath. If you like, you can decorate it further with a little bit of greenery. I'm just going to cut it in half because it's a little bit too bulky. One piece on one side and then the other on the other side. Let's top it off with an apple blossom in the center. And I think that completes the look. Although, let me see here. There's a dab of hot glue coming out through the center of the cross. How about we cover it up with a pearl sticker? What a difference. Oh my goodness, this is definitely a cherry on top. Makes your eye travel right there. What do you think? Isn't it pretty? And I love the symbolism. That's most important. Cross that symbolizes Christ, and then the Alpha and Omega, that He is the beginning and the end.
I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last.
The second candle, we are going to decorate it with the flower border from my napkin. What do you think? I think it's gonna look cute. I'm trying to cut out as much of the white area as I can. And just like before, we are just going to use the top layer. We are going to wrap it around a candle at the bottom. We have to adjust the size. All right, let's try it now. Perfect. And like before, we are going to wrap it with a parchment paper and heat it all the way around for 2-3 minutes to make sure it heats up and melts into the candle. If you take a peek in there and the napkin still lifts up here and there, you just need to heat it up some more. And when you open it up, be careful because the candle is soft. So don't squeeze it, let it cool off, but look how beautiful. You can leave it as is, or you can still decorate it with some ribbon. I want to attach a cross to it as well. Tweety Bird wants to help. What do you want, Tweety? Are you serious? You want a head scratch? All right, until the glue dries. Coming back for more? I can't with you. I want to add a pearl on this cross as well. There's a circle of paper at the bottom of your candle. That's why you can glue it if you like. And I want it to stay in place, so that's what I do. And again, I'm going to decorate the pedestal with a bow. Decorate it with some greenery. And let's top it off with a color coordinating little flower. Okay, and take a look. Let me know. Wouldn't it look beautiful on your Easter table? And you can make a few of them in different heights. And now the third candle. This pretty moss green color, doesn't need much, real quick and easy upgrade. We are going to wrap it with a ribbon. By now I got tired of burning my fingers, so I'm gonna use the protector. Dollar Tree sells all these pretty burlap flowers, so let's see what will look pretty. Oh, this one was my favorite, but you see it's a bit too big for that candle. Let's try the daisies because they have them in different sizes and also shades. Let's see. Yes, I like that. And let's see the bigger burlap flower again. Yeah, as much as I love it, way too big, right? But you know what we can do? We can layer different colors of daisies on top of each other. Okay, take a look at the burlap one. Pretty with the orange center. And how about we put a cream one on top? Yes, I love that. All I'm gonna do now is just attach a bow like we did before, add a little bit of greenery, and I don't even think we need a flower in the center because my eyes are already focused on that big beautiful daisy in the center. Look how easily we did that. Isn't that pretty? Very inexpensive upgrade to your regular candle. Beautiful decoration for your spring table, actually all the way through the summer. And I think it makes a pretty gift for your friend as well, right? Who wouldn't love that? I'm waiting to hear which one is your favorite, number 1, 2, or 3. Please let me know. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you.